Yo, Tony and Wam,
Hello, Shappy.
you good?
Yeah, man, alright. You good?
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. You know, say you must have wonder how you not hear from me, But watch your style. I do it in your country and I get kind of caught up star. And I go do it for another 2 or 3 weeks. So I go beg you, figure extra hype on the shop there for me here. And you could as all have to go work all on a couple of your day after them. But I send a brother to come link you and taxi you. Just in case you ever need anything from the wholesale and anything they can just shout him and him come pick up and deliver to the shop for me. You know me, I said me give him a shout here that day. I just want to know say you're good enough.
I'm good, man. Carry must start cook this week.
Yeah, man. You know the code. Why don't you call me? Alright?
Alright, Shappy.
What is life?
Hi Tony, this is Rupert, aka Reds, your ex-boyfriend. I'm just saying hi, hope you're doing fine. I'm working as a sanitation engineer and supervisor. I'm working on a number of operations around Kingston. I hope we can meet today or one day, sometime this week, so we can sit and have a nice talk. You know, you've been on my mind.
Wait, hold on. I'm a dream dream. Sanitation engineer. Like on a rubbish truck work that. You get the some of them today? Oh. You know you have to keep them in a freezer so them not spoil, right? Try to know that. Can I come down here today? No, Carrie, me not miss you. I'm gonna finish doing me, I do, yeah. Alright.
Hello, Tonian.
Reds!
I believe in your soul.
What y'all do here?
Tonian, I came to see you.
How you know it's part of my work, Reds?
Well, some of the things that you post on TikTok, I look and saw the shop and I asked around for the dancehall deli.
So what you want now, Reds?
You got my voice note?
Yes, Reds, me get it. Say I work for a rubbish truck now.
No, I'm a sanitation engineer.
Alright, Reds. Alright. You're a sanitation engineer.
Tonian is what? You hate me that much? You can't come outside, come have a conversation with me? Look what I brought for you. Is what, Tonian?
Reds, how long me did there?
5 years. I think about you every day.
And you no remember say me allergic to flowers?